Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Mangalorean style Malabar Spinach and Black Eyed Pea curry. Wash and soak black eyed peas or lobia in water for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Wash Malabar spinach well. Separate the leaves from the stem and cut the stem to 2 to 3 inches long. Chop them roughly. Discard the soaked water and transfer to a cooker. Add water, approx 2 to 3 cups, and add salt. Cover and cook for 2 whistles only. Open the pressure cooker when pressure has released. It should be tender but not mushy. Remove the peas in a separate bowl. Reserve the water. Now add stock and Malabar leaves in the pressure cooker. Press them down. Add half cup more water. Cook for 1 whistle. In the meanwhile, prepare masala for the gravy. Dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorn and red chili on a low flame till they turn aromatic. Constantly stirring them for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove in a separate plate. Next add mustard seed. Allow to splutter. In the same pan, add onion and garlic. Dry roast everything till you get nice aroma. Next add coconut and roast it well. Remove and cool it. Add turmeric and tamarind. Transfer the roasted spices to the mixer grinder. Add around half cup of water and blend to a fine paste. In a kadai, add the cooked vegetables and cooked black eyed peas. Cover and cook till it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, add the ground paste. Mix well. Now add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Add salt and simmer for 5 minutes. For the tempering, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a small pan. Add the crushed garlic and fry till it turns brown. Pour the tempering into the spinach gravy. Give it a quick stir. Serve hot with boiled rice and pickle on the side. If you like today's recipe, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.